What is a column visited selector? A column visited selector is CSS selector that we can use to select anchor element or link that is in visited state and apply CSS styles on it. Anchor element or link is in visited state if user has previously visited or clicked on that link. Inside of declaration block, we can set any set of CSS styles that we want to apply only on visited links. Okay, let's see some examples for this. Okay, for this part, I have already prepared 3 HTML documents. We have index, page 1, and page 2 HTML documents. Inside of index, we have head and body, and inside of body, we have 2 links for our page 1 and page 2. Okay, so basically page 1 will lead us to page 1 and page 2 will lead us to page 2 HTML document. Inside of HTML document page 1, we have head and body, and inside of body we have just h1 element, and the same thing we have for our page 2. We have head and body, and inside of body we have h1 HTML element with page 2 text. Okay, I saved all 3 documents on the desktop, so let's minimize our text editor. And this is our index page, this is page 1 and page 2. Okay, let's open our index web page. This is how our web page looks like for now. We have page 1 and page 2 links, like we have set inside of our index web page. Okay, so if we click on page 1, we'll be redirected to page 1 HTML document. So if we go back, you can see that page 1 link is visited now and it has different color than page 2. Okay, so page 1 is visited link and it has different color than our page 2 link. So now we can change or customize just that visited link. So how we can do that? So first thing, inside of head, let's define style block where we're going to define all CSS styles for this HTML document. Okay, so let's define a column visited. Okay, let's define declaration block. So basically, now with a column visited selector, we will select just visited links. In our case, that is page 1 link. So we can change anything. Let's change color, for example. Let's set orange. So let's save this. Let's go back in our web browser and let's refresh it. As you can see, now our link 1 has orange color. Okay, please be aware of that not all CSS properties for all browsers can be set. For example, now we are in Microsoft Edge. So if we, for example, set background color CSS property, let's set black. Okay. Let's save this change. Sorry, not save this, just save. Okay, let's go back in our web browser and let's refresh it. You can see that nothing has happened. We still have the same background color. So let's analyze our web page. Let's click on the right click. Let's click on inspect. Now on the right hand side, we have structure of our HTML document. So let's expand head, let's expand body, and let's click on our first link. Down here you can see we have our a column visited selector with color property that we can uncheck. You can see that actually this property works, but our second background color, even if we uncheck it, you can see that this property doesn't work. Okay, so please be aware that not all CSS property will work for anchor visited selector. But in general, this is how anchor visited selector works, so feel free to play around with this. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.